Ladies first. How our friend on the car?
He's very well. Very well. Very well.
Please, can we call the house to order? And all our media people.
Almost, there is no personal quarrel between Mohammed Hayatu-Deen and myself. We basically discuss how we can unite the party and also promote the party to Nigeria so that we achieve victory and then drive away the APC government.
Your Excellency, would you want to share some of those means or some of those steps you intend to take?
Well, the steps we intend to take is different from, the challenges facing the country. I think basically we look at the challenges facing the country. We have never seen that in our lives. I'm 79, he's 70-something, he's my younger brother. But we have never seen Nigeria so badly governed. And we believe we need to unite. No matter our differences, we need to unite to make sure that this country is saved from collapse.
So, Your Excellency, you're going to work together with him as he agreed to work with you?
Definitely. We have always worked together. Last elections season, we have worked together, and we are also going to work together this time.
ADC and 2027, do you want to just tell us your place in this 2027 election? You think we are set to contest the 2027?
Of course, why not? Why not? We are.
Thank you so very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please,
Yes, definitely.
Go on.
All right, thank you, sir.
Purely geared towards how we're going to move forward, having clinched the ticket of the party in order to ensure that we take decisive steps in launching a very vigorous and serious campaign so that we can put him and the party in office in January 2027. That was the purpose.
So what would be your message to this APC government at the moment?
Well, the thing is that this is a competitive field. The test of the pudding is in the eating. We have a very robust platform. We have a party leadership that is serious, committed. We are looking for national renewal and national rebirth. And I believe that we are going to give them a very good run for their money. But most importantly, they are going to be standing on their record. And that record is quite problematic. And will offer something new, something different, something visionary that will take this country forward. Thank you.
Thank you so very much.
Sorry,
Thank you.
sorry, sir.
Thank you.
Done?
Okay, sir. Sorry. No, it's
Just the two of them.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, that would be
Our guy is here.
Okay, I will say fine.
This one. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes.